guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different and just sitting here and chatting with you to talk through why one of the videos on my channel has had so much success compared to the rest of my videos. Now, obviously, I have a very small channel. Right now, I have 150 subscribers, but one of the videos on my channel has almost 25,000 views on it. And I posted that video when I had, I think, 15 subscribers. So the success of that video has been really surprising to me since I never thought that that would happen to my channel so soon, especially since that's the first video that's posted on my channel. So I kind of want to go through my analytics a little bit and find out exactly why it's done so well, where those views are coming from, and how I think it's affected my channel. So let's go ahead and take a look. First of all, if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Claudia. I hope you stick around and subscribe. I post new videos every Monday, but I kind of want to give the backstory of my channel just a little bit to kind of help the context of this whole video. So I started my channel in March, on March 18th. So it's almost been exactly 3 months since I started my channel. And I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for years. It was just that thing that I'm sure a lot of YouTubers can relate to, where it was just like, am I gonna have the time? I don't even know how to make a video. What am I gonna talk about? Are people even gonna care what I have to say? And that's what held me back. So once quarantine started, I just didn't feel like I had an excuse anymore. And I didn't even know what I wanted to make my channel about. So I decided I would film just kind of a bunch of different videos and see what stuck, since I didn't have really a clear idea of what I wanted my channel to be like. And a lot of people will tell you that that's not a great idea, since it's hard for like the algorithm to figure out where to place your channel and where to suggest your videos if your content's kind of all over the place. But
I had no idea.
I decided to make a video on how to use Zoom because honestly, it was the very beginning of quarantine and Zoom was all the rage. I'm sure you guys remember. Everyone was just video chatting all the time and everyone was using it for work. And my parents specifically, who are a little bit older, sorry, mom and dad, they were asking me a lot of questions about how to use it. And I figured, you know what, I'm gonna teach myself the ins and outs, and then I'm gonna teach other people how to do it, because clearly there's no way that they're the only ones struggling with how to use it. So I made that video, I posted it, and kind of expected nothing of it. And right away, it honestly started picking up traction. And this video reached over 1,000 views in the first 17 days. And to me, I was like, oh my God, that's amazing. Wow, that's so cool. But obviously now it's been up for about 2.5 months and it has now almost 25,000 views. So let's talk about where those views are coming from. Compared to my other videos, this is performing, no joke, about 500 times better than my other videos. My next most popular video on my channel has 44 views. That's a big difference. How is this one video getting tens of thousands of views? So we're gonna dive in and go through analytics really quickly. Don't want to bore you with numbers and percentages, but it is kind of an important thing to look at when you're trying to figure out the success of the video like I am right now. So the largest chunk of views that this video is getting is coming from suggested videos. So that means YouTube is actually suggesting my video to viewers. And that's where 56% of the people who are clicking on this video are coming from. So that's actually good to know that YouTube doesn't just suggest videos of larger channels. Like I said, I posted this video when I had, I think, 15 subscribers. So YouTube did pick up this video and suggest it even with my tiny channel, which is great. The second largest percentage of views that my video is getting is coming from YouTube search, and 29% of my views are coming from search. So obviously, since this was kind of like a trending thing right when quarantine started, everyone was using Zoom, it makes sense that it was being searched really frequently. And if you're a new channel, actually, I just kind of discovered this. It's called TubeBuddy, and it's a Google Chrome extension. I'm not sure if it's an extension for any other web browsers, but it actually tells you how good your keywords are for search in YouTube. So you can search for a keyword and TubeBuddy will tell you, yes, this is a great keyword to try to target because a lot of people are searching it and there's not a lot of competition. Or on the opposite side, it might say, there's so much competition in this keyword, it's not searched very often, it might not be worth it to target those keywords. So I would definitely recommend getting TubeBuddy if you are a new YouTuber. I learned all about this from Catherine Manning's channel, so I would really, really highly recommend you check out her channel if you're confused about all this, because I absolutely was. I had no idea. I just posted this video and had no idea anything was going to happen from it. But now that it's doing well, I'm kind of trying to do my research about why it did well and how I can get my other videos to do well also. So Catherine Manning's channel has been really helpful, and I will link it in the description box so you can check out her channel if you want to go through kind of these similar case studies with your own videos on your channel. So I would definitely say if you're kind of struggling with ideas, go through what's trending either in the world or trending on YouTube and try to make a video relating to it, because you might get more views just from doing search. The next thing I want to point out is that this video has been shared 387 times. And I don't know if that 387 is just the amount of times it's been shared, or if that's the amount of times that it's been shared and viewed. So if you guys know, let me know in the comments section. But this has been shared 387 times. And for comparison, my other videos have been shared 0 times. 0 times. No, 0 times, no times at all. So that's saying something. Obviously, this video is something that a lot of people are interested in. So they're sharing it with their friends who also may be having issues with how to use Zoom. Now that we've talked about where the views are coming from, so they're coming from suggested videos, they're coming from people searching for the video, let's find out who the audience is that is viewing my video, because this is really important if you're building your channel and building your audience. You want to know who's watching your videos. So that's what I looked into next. So everybody who's viewing this video is over the age of 45, according to YouTube's stats. And 88% of them are coming from viewers who are over the age of 65. And that makes sense, right? Zoom is probably fairly new to a lot of people in that age group. So it makes sense that they'd be searching for videos on how to use it. I also want to note that 99% of the people who watch the video are not subscribed to my channel. And that's a big thing to pay attention to when you're looking through your analytics. Are people who are watching your videos subscribed? And if not, why not? And for me, it was the first video up on my channel. So a lot of people who were coming and watching my video, there was nothing else on my channel at the time. So if your channel is small and not growing super fast, kind of see it as a glass half full situation, because if one of your videos does get picked up and start getting suggested by YouTube, you're gonna have tons of other videos on your channel that people are gonna start watching and checking out, and hopefully they'll realize that they really enjoy your content as a whole and your channel as a whole instead of just the one video, and you'll hopefully get more subscribers that way. Whereas for me, it was my first video, so there was nothing else for anybody to go off of. So they were coming to my channel and they were leaving. And so on that note, let's talk about how it actually has affected my channel. Has it been a positive thing? Has it been a negative thing? And honestly, I do think overall it has absolutely helped my channel, because I'm getting a ton of watch hours. And for those of you who don't know, watch hours and the amount of subscribers you have directly correlate to you being able to make money on YouTube. So you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to start making money on YouTube. You can't just start a channel and start making money right away. But those watch hours are really important to the growth of my channel. So because of the success of that video, I've been trying to think of other ideas of similar videos to make that might also get that many views. And obviously they haven't. So sometimes it's just timing, luck, doing some good research about what's trending right now and what people are watching can be really, really helpful. The third thing it's done is really make me reconsider what I'm posting now, because I want people who come to my channel and watch that video to see other videos on my channel that they might be interested in and might want to watch as well. But of course, only time will tell how it really affects my channel moving forward. But so far it's given me watch hours, subscribers, and traffic to my channel, which is really, really exciting. And I really hope that the growth of my channel does continue, because I really do love making videos. I love making how-to videos, especially. I love helping people in that way. I love teaching people things. So hopefully more videos in my channel in the future will have similar success to my Zoom video. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for just listening to me kind of ramble on, but also go through some stats on my channel that hopefully help you figure out how to use your analytics a little bit better so that you can figure out your audience, your subscribers, where everybody's coming from, to maybe adjust your strategy if you're trying to grow more on your channel. Again, I'll link Catherine Manning's channel in the description box because her videos have really helped me view my channel in a different way and actually care about my analytics, where before I just kind of was posting videos without having any idea of how they were doing or what they were doing. So I appreciate the support on my Zoom videos so much. If you've watched it, thank you. I really hope that it's helping people who were confused about how to use Zoom. That was the whole point of it. So if it's helping people, that's all I really wanted. Did I ever think my most successful and most watched video so far was gonna be my first video? Absolutely not. I had no idea what I was doing when I filmed that video. So hopefully my videos just keep getting better from here on out. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video. I'm gonna be posting bloopers and behind the scenes of this video, and that's gonna be my uploading schedule moving forward, is main video on Monday and kind of like my bloopers and behind the scenes on Wednesday, because I love those kinds of videos. I think they're hilarious and actually like really helpful. So please stay tuned for Wednesday's video as well. So please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I really, really appreciate the support. And also leave me a comment in the comment section if there are any videos that you want to see from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.